Text overlay, stop doing this in red, rapidly flickering. B-roll, portfolio chart crashing from $14,200 to $0 in seconds. How I turned $500 into $127,400 in 94 days by doing the exact opposite of what 97% of crypto traders do every single morning. B-roll, clock ticking. Split screen, left side red portfolios, right side green portfolios. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to hand you the exact 3 mistakes that destroyed my first 2 years in crypto and the 3 replacements that generated a 47% return in a month where Bitcoin dropped 22%. No theory. No HODL and pray. Just the specific behaviors that separate the top 3% from everyone else. Text overlay, the 97% mistake. Zoom in on phone screen showing 14 trading app notifications. The average crypto trader opens their portfolio app 19 times a day. 19. That's once every 50 waking minutes. And every single time they do it, they make a worse decision. Chart showing decision quality dropping with each portfolio check. Here's the data. Researchers tracked 4,800 traders across 18 months. The traders who checked prices most frequently? Their returns were 63% lower than traders who checked once daily. B-roll, someone refreshing CoinMarketCap obsessively, face illuminated in the dark. But here's the part nobody talks about. Pattern interrupt, screen goes black. White text, they know. Trading platforms aren't neutral. The color green triggers dopamine. The color red triggers cortisol. The refresh button is placed exactly where your thumb naturally rests. Every pixel on that screen was designed by psychologists not to help you make money, but to make you trade more. Split screen, casino slot machine interface versus crypto exchange interface, nearly identical layout. The first thing I stopped doing? Opening the app. The first replacement? A single 11-minute window every morning. Same time. Same place. One look at the charts. One decision. Then the app closes for 23 hours and 49 minutes. B-roll, calendar showing recurring 8 a.m. block titled 11 minutes. That one change alone took my win rate from 31% to 68% in 6 weeks. Text overlay, 31%, 68% in 6 weeks. But even that wasn't the real problem. The real problem was what I was buying. Open loop, slow zoom into crypto logo wall, then sudden cut to black. Text overlay, mistake number 2, the narrative trap. B-roll, headlines flashing rapidly, next 100x coin, don't miss this, experts say. Every single day, crypto Twitter pumps a new narrative. AI coins. DePIN. RWA. Modular blockchain. L2 summer. Meme coin supercycle. And every single time, retail traders pile in at the exact peak of the story. Chart, narrative lifecycle, showing retail entry point always at the top before the crash. Here's the brutal math. By the time a crypto narrative reaches your feed, the insiders have already accumulated. The early retail has already entered. And you? Your exit liquidity. B-roll, visual of money flowing from retail wallets into whale wallets, animated. I tracked every single narrative-driven trade I made across 2023. 47 trades. 31 losers. Average entry? 14 days after the narrative peaked on social media. Average loss per trade? 31% in under 72 hours. Text overlay, 47 trades. 31 losses. Minus 31% each. What I discovered next completely changed everything. Pattern interrupt, fast montage of all the coins I ignored flashing on screen, then stop on one specific coin with a green arrow. I stopped chasing narratives entirely. Instead, I built what I call the boredom filter. Text overlay, the boredom filter. Split screen, left side, flashy new project with 10,000 Twitter followers, right side, boring established protocol with steady chart. Here's how it works. Before I buy anything, I ask 3 questions. Question 1, has this project existed for more than 400 days? If no, I skip it. The data shows that projects under 400 days old have a 91% failure.